Julian Assange tells Ecuador court he's an assassination risk, leaked. WikiLeaks has said that Ecuador would be violating its constitution if its founder Julian Assange is expelled from its London embassy while being fully aware he is at risk of assassination, according to a leaked court testimony. According to Article 79 of the Ecuadorian Constitution, it guarantees that in no case shall the extradition of an Ecuadorian be granted, Assange told the Ecuadorian court back on October 29. WikiLeaks released a transcript of Assange's statement following the news of his expulsion from the embassy made the headlines on Thursday. But as the majority of Assange's testimony depends on his right to stay in the embassy, he accused the government of Lenin Moreno of illegally limiting his communication rights because of pressure from the U.S. The fact that a government controls a particular piece of space does not mean it can violate its constitution, can violate UN-mandated rights, that it can engage in punishments without process, Assange told the court. The transcript was published days after WikiLeaks announced that Assange could be discharged from the embassy within hours to days. Following the report, 1A, UN Special Rapporteur on the Right to Privacy asserted plans to visit Assange on 25 April to decide if his rights are indeed being infringed upon. Ecuadorian President Lenin Moreno accused Assange of breaking the conditions of his stay in the embassy. The president claimed that Assange could not interfere in the politics of other states, particularly Ecuador's partners. Assange has been seeking refuge in Ecuador's London embassy since 2012. Following a ruling from a British judge that he should be extradited to Sweden to face sexual assault allegations. Swedish authorities dropped the case in 2017, but Mr. Assange remains in the embassy over fears of being extradited to the United States to face charges over WikiLeaks publishing of sensitive U.S. government files. Last month, Chelsea Manning ended up back in U.S. federal custody, after being jailed for refusing to testify before a grand jury investigating WikiLeaks and Julian Assange. U.S. District Judge Claude Hilton of the Eastern Virginia court ordered Manning's imprisonment Friday after a brief hearing in which Manning confirmed she has no intention of testifying, according to the Associated Press.